This is to show you how to use the double fold bias tool maker. It comes apart into two sections for easy use. Take a 2-inch strip of fabric, slightly fold the end over the end of your push stick. This makes it much easier to thread the fabric through the tool. Insert it into the U-shaped end of the tool. You want to just go far enough until the fabric starts coming out the other end. You don't want to put your stick through the tool, so pull it out. So when you pull this through, you now have a 1-inch single fold bias tape. To make the double fold, you slightly fold the end to make it easier to go into the other part of the tool. Insert your stick, and this goes into the V-shaped end of the second part of the tool. Again, you want to just push that through until it starts to come out the other end, and then remove your stick. You're going to click the two pieces together, and then go to your sewing machine. And you are ready to sew your bias tape. Pull out a little bit. Go ahead and sew right down the edge. As you need more, pull it on out. Comes out as your double folded bias tape ready for ties.